You got it now. There you go. Kitty learns how to drink her water. Well, kinda. Oh, dude, you should win some like cutest animal ever award, please. If there's anything like that, please submit this to them, because that was the cutest thing I've ever seen. And it was one of those moments where it was not like, man, I wish I was recording it, because it totally was. Totally was. Uh-oh. Is this going to get more zany? No. Oh. I'll just be quiet and watch nature. Got another one to teach back there sometime, but I think Tarzan over there is gonna play around for a while. Hey, hey, you're doing better on these other two. Good job. No more though, please.